Hello, everyone. So, this is the first uh, first session about learning computer networks. So today we will be starting with the very basics of the computer networks, starting with IP addresses. So let's talk about uh, what the IPv4 address is in a computer network. So the question is, can an IPv4 address be 3 digits in each dot or octet or not? So the very first thing we are going to talk about is, so every device, so basically computer network is nothing but a group of computers connected together, right? Via maybe directly or maybe via any other network device like switch or router. So I might be using some other different network terminologies like switch and router here, but let's not focus on that. So what we are saying is, in a computer network, there will be a set of computers or laptops or machines, and then each machine will be having an IP address. So now IP address can either be IPv4 address or it can be IPv6 address. So IPv4 address is basically a smaller range of addresses, and IPv6 addresses can be a bit longer because IPv4 has a fixed length, which is smaller. So it could happen that over a period of time, we have assigned all the IP addresses for IPv4 address, and we do not have any more IPv4 address left because we have consumed all the range. So in that case, IPv6 address can be useful to assign new IPs to new devices over the network. So IPv4 is basically, usually the IP address looks like it will be having x dot x dot x dot x. So what it means is we will be having 3 digits in each dot, which we call octet. So there are total 4 octets, and in each octet there will be 3 digits. So for example, 192.168.1.10, right? So IPv4 IPv4 address has 4 octets separated by dots. Like each octet is a number between 0 and 255. So it's the maximum 3 digits we can have, and each octet, it doesn't mean that we cannot have lesser. So 10.1.1.1. So that is also a valid IPv4 address. Right? So each octet can be 1 digit, 2 digits, or 3 digits, as long as the value stays between 0 and 255. So if we take an example of 192.168.100.255, so that is a valid IP address. Similarly, if we have 255.255.255.0.00, that is also a valid. But if someone says like 256.168.1.10, then that is invalid because first octet is having 256, which is outside the range of between 0 and 255. So now IPv4 address. So each octet is basically 8 bits long. Okay, so 8 bits is like we have 8 positions, and in each position there can be a 0 or a 1, right? But in the binary form it can be either 0 or 1. So overall, if we have 8 positions, then it is 2 key power 8, right? So 2 key power 8 is 255. So 255, no, 2 key power 8 is 256, right? So overall, there can be 256 values any octet can have. So from 0 to 255. So that's about it. So overall, can an octet be 3 digits? Yes. If the value is 100 to 255. Can an octet be 1 or 2 digits? Yes, perfectly valid. Can an octet exceed 255? No. Maximum is always 255. Must all 4 octets be 3 digits? No. Each octet is independent. Why is 255 the max? Because one octet is 8 bits, and that is the maximum value of 255. So that's about IPv4 addresses. Hope that was useful. Thank you.